tell you a super cool story about Mia and her big dream. Mia was just like you, filled with ideas and imagination. Her biggest dream? To become a famous painter. One day, Mia decided it was time to make her dream come true. But how? She remembered what her teacher said. Set achievable goals and create a plan to obtain them. So, Mia sat down with her colorful markers and drew up a plan. First, she set small goals. She decided to draw one picture every day. Each day she would use different colors and techniques. It wasn't easy at first, but Mia kept going. She practiced, and soon her drawings were getting better and better. Next, Mia wanted to learn from the best. She asked her parents to take her to art classes. There she met other kids who loved painting too. They shared tips, ideas, and had so much fun. Mia learned new things every day. Finally, Mia wanted to show her art to the world. She set a goal to have her own art show. She worked hard, made beautiful paintings, and even designed cool invitations. The big day arrived, and guess what? Mia's art show was a huge success. People loved her paintings and cheered for her. Mia's dream came true because she set achievable goals and made a plan. Remember kids, no dream is too big if you take it one step at a time. So, what's your big dream? Start today, make a plan, and watch your dreams come true. Remember to subscribe. Bye for now.